Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. This is another whole house clean. I do this every week. My house gets pretty messy during the weekends, so I always try to take a Sunday to just completely clean it up and take you guys along with me, because it's quite motivating on Sundays in my house, because it honestly surprises me how dirty my house gets throughout the weekend. But my priority on the weekends is to spend time with my family and run errands and, you know, the typical weekend stuff. So cleaning really isn't like a priority on the weekends for us. We catch up on laundry, and that's pretty much it. And then on Sundays, I just tackle the entire mess that we have created. So if you haven't yet, consider hitting that subscribe button, give this video a like, and let's go ahead and get started. On this day, I decided to go ahead and start in my kitchen because it was driving me absolutely crazy. I also need to get bottles done because we had none, and sometimes I just get really lazy with bottles. I don't know if there's any other mommies out there that do that, but like, I have an excessive amount of bottles, so I will sometimes just go through them instead of washing the first 6 that I dirty. Like on the weekends, I am so lazy. Like, we didn't do anything on Saturday. I think we ended up watching like 4 movies, and that's it. Like, we ate a lot, but other than that, like, we had a complete lazy Saturday, and we haven't had one of those in months. So it was just so relaxing. I enjoyed every minute of it, and I'm okay with all the dirty bottles and all the dirty dishes and my house being a complete mess because I enjoyed that time so much. But does anyone else do that? Like, they get lazy and just don't do something? I did finally get my Grove box, so I have a couple items that I was needing. I'm going to be using the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap in the Bluebell scent. I ordered this scent to kind of transition from winter to spring before I got my like spring scents, but I missed an entire month and a half because my box didn't show up. So I'm a little disappointed that I'm using this scent now, but it's what I have and that's what I'm using. And honestly, it smells so good. It kind of does just like remind me of spring, but it's like the coming of spring is what mostly it reminds me of.
Of decisions whirling in my heart, and my vision, a rescission, has never been this hard. I got wasted when I tasted the sweetness of your lips. We're not ready, we're unsteady, I'm stuck inside your grip. I'm going down, down, down like a waterfall. You're keeping us miles apart. You got me down, down, down like a waterfall. You know just how to restrain a heart. Of obsession has never been this close, and the matter if I'd rather just lock myself indoors. I'm righteous, this virus, no dog or pill can cure. This pattern won't turn it, you got me by the core. I'm going down, down, down like a waterfall. You're keeping us miles apart. You got me down, down, down like a waterfall. You know just how to restrain a heart.
if you guys know, or have been around a while, you know that I'm awful at folding like linens and stuff, so I always just leave them laying around, and then they end up laying around forever because no one wants to fold them because it's terrible. My husband's actually pretty good at it. I ended up taking care of it like this week because I just got sick of seeing them, and like as I was folding them, I was like, I am so bad at this. When did I become so bad at folding sheets and blankets? But I don't know, I think it's just because my husband spoils me. I don't deal with laundry. He washes, dries, folds, and most of the time puts away our laundry. The only laundry I have to deal with is Tennyson's, and I fold it and I put it away. He mostly washes that too. So I just got spoiled over the ages, I guess, and now I just forgot how to fold like the basic necessities of laundry. I also want to let you guys know, like, my husband's not being like a lazy person sitting there while I'm cleaning. My daughter's actually napping next to him on the couch, so he's just enjoying some YouTube, some video games, and some snuggles from the baby while I clean.
falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter, I got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes. Down deep and under, we're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river. Swim a little deeper, I don't need to breathe with my head underwater.
I really care. We're all of our demons, and they never disappear. I will forgive you if you've forgiven me. We're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it every time I look at you. You pull me back into your river, swim a little deeper. I don't need to breathe with my head underwater.
One bottle. One. That's it. If y'all have been around a while, you'll know how amazing that is. And this morning I got up to edit this video at like 4 a.m. That's when my husband goes to the gym. And I happened to notice him walking out of the bedroom with my already like drank water bottles. And I was like, that's what he's doing. Like, that's why I didn't have any. In the morning, he's actually being really nice. I think he's been listening to my videos and, like, knowing that I needed a solution. So he took care of it. And I was like, huh, that's why I don't see them all over the place anymore. He takes them down in the morning. Why can't I do that? So I did clean my bathroom, and I went ahead and cleaned up the spare bathroom. I didn't feel like showing you guys both because I feel like it gets a little repetitive each week. So I'm just going to show you a few clips from this bathroom. I lost a little bit of footage, so you're not going to see the whole actual bathroom being cleaned. But it is going to be like the counter, the mirrors, and the bathtub you'll see. But I did fully clean this bathroom. I mopped it, I vacuumed it, I did the whole shebang because it really needed to get done.
Our broken hearts. Loving you is not so goddamn easy as I think. You try your best to hold up, but I see you giving in. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. to see. You are the artist I'll never be. I'm so sorry I never stay. Overreact and just walk away. Take me back to the place I know. I have the power to let things go. I'm so lost I can't see the shore. You know what that means, we've been here before. I lose my self-restraint. I think we're done, then you add more paint. I calm down and watch it dry.
And this is going to be it for today, guys. I really hope that this video motivated you to get the job that you needed to get done today. And I really appreciate all of you guys for sticking around, subscribing, liking, and sharing my videos. It is well appreciated. If you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button, giving this video a like, and I will see you guys on the next one.